Thank you for watching our Captioning for Beginners course. We truly hope you've enjoyed this course and you've learned something about subtitles and closed captioning. If you want to try captioning your own videos, we encourage you to sign up for a free trial of Closed Caption Creator by visiting www.closedcaptioncreator.com/trial. You can watch our Getting Started video linked in the description box below to get a walkthrough of Closed Caption Creator and learn the interface. If you want to learn more about closed captioning, there are a number of great communities on LinkedIn and Facebook that can help you pursue a career in video transcription and captioning. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team. You can view our other free courses available on our YouTube channel.